Hello everyone, we are Virtual Engineering and this is the single-phase circuits laboratory of Electroverse. And in today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a single-phase resistor to a single-phase power source and measure the current using an ammeter and a voltmeter. I'm going to draw on the board here how our circuit will look. Here we will have a variable voltage source, which is the variac. Now we'll carefully connect it to the ammeter in the circuit. Then we'll connect to the resistor and we'll close the circuit down here. You're making sure everything is secure. And we'll connect the digital voltmeter placed right here in this circuit for measuring voltage. Well guys, the important thing to keep in mind is this. Let's carefully calculate what the electrical current that we're going to measure on the ammeter will actually be. Remember that my real voltage is equal to the impedance Z times the real current. So my current will be my voltage. I'm going to apply 100 volts. Over my resistance, which is 250 ohms. This resistor ranges from 0 to 500 and it's set to 250. So I'll put 250 here. Now 100 divided by 25, so the expected current is 0.4 amperes. That means in this situation, the current should be 0.4 amps. That's my expected current, so let's set up this circuit and check it here in our lab. Okay, first I'll make the connections. The first thing I'll do is connect my single-phase power supply to the ammeter, insert it, then go from the ammeter to the resistor, and finally close the circuit by connecting the resistor back to the power supply. So I'm going to get a red cable here. I'm going to connect it here to the phase terminal. Electroverse tells me, guys, when I pick up a cable, it shows me the places I can connect it using these little flags here. So here it is. I connected it to the phase terminal of the ammeter. Now I'm going to get another cable. I'll use a shorter one here to keep things organized. I come here, connect. So now I have a series here, and now I'm going to close the resistor to the power supply. I'll get a black cable. I'll make a longer cable. I'll take the other end here. I've made the connections and now I'm going to do this parallel part here with the voltmeter and the resistor. I'll use shorter cables. I'll use a cable. I'll pick a cable of a different color. Let's see here. Blue is for neutral, so I'll pick a white cable. I connect it here, grab another one. Connected here. So that's it, folks. I've made the series circuit, the parallel circuit, just like over there. And now let's turn on our circuit. I'm going to turn on the power supply and raise the voltage up to the 100 volts that I want to apply. 98, 100. 100 volts, and I'm seeing exactly 4 amperes here, which is what we calculated. And the voltage across the resistor is 100.97, which is exactly the same voltage across it, which is what my variac is applying. And if I increase the resistance, what happens? The current will tend to drop. See, as I increase the resistance, the current decreases. If I decrease the resistance, I'll increase the current. I'm allowing more current to flow. So if I set it to about 100 ohms here, I'll have approximately 1 ampere. So 100 over 96, that's about 1 ampere, 1.05. And the voltage is the same because I only have one resistor. In the next video, we'll set up a circuit with 2 resistors in series. Well folks, that's it for today's video. We showed how to set up and connect the ammeter in series and the voltmeter in parallel with the circuit. Take care and see you next time.